M Sports is not just a segment of BMW cars. It's a feeling, it's a thrill, it's a way of life, the lifestyle. And then you can see behind me are the best of M series cars that you can buy in India. The X5M, you can see the M5. But as a tech and auto journalist, it is imperative for me to not show you just cars, but also smartphones, and smartphones that are M smartphones. Now if you're wondering what is an M smartphone, because M as a badge is just for BMW, well, you're in for a surprise. We have the world's fastest smartphone with us. Yes, this is the world's fastest smartphone, the iQOO 11. What we're going to do is do a special unboxing for you guys. So we have the iQOO 11 and the M4 competition, and this is the best, the latest and the fastest of tech and auto. Let's go ahead and unbox it. This is the iQOO 11 5G, and what we're going to do is just simply unbox it for you, a very exclusive unboxing in the M Motorsports. So similarities right here, the carbon fiber texture on the car and the carbon fiber texture in the box. Love the design already, and you can see the M badging right here, the iQOO M and the badging. Just gonna keep it here and see what else is in the box. So this is the 16GB 256GB variant, and right here is the car we're sitting in and unboxing, the BMW M Motorsport. Right under that is again the photo of the car, just the spirit of M, SIM ejector tool, a case, documentation, and a 120 watt charger, Vivo flash charge 120 watt, which is the fastest charging possible. And you know what, comes with a type C to type C cable, which is great. So this is what comes in the box for the iQOO 11 smartphone, and what we're going to do is now switch it on, set it up and test it to the limits at the BMW Joytown. In terms of display, you get the most advanced display, India's first 2K 144Hz E6 AMOLED display. For ultimate gaming and camera experience, you get the V2 chip. For advanced night photography, you get 50 megapixel GN5 ultra sensing camera with OIS and V2 chip. iQOO 11 5G, world's fastest smartphone, comes with the most advanced processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform. For pro-level gaming, you get vapor chamber liquid cooling system. For fast charging, you get a 120 watt flash charge which charges the phone 50% in just 8 minutes. So that was our exclusive and world's first unboxing of the iQOO 11 M Motorsports with the BMW M Sports cars, and especially the unboxing in the M4 was world exclusive. So do let us know in the comment section below, how did you like our unboxing? And for more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog.